Somebody asked a question about this little component tester that I've got. This is a cool little thing. Again, I think I bought this from Banggood, and it runs on a PP3 battery, and there's various little sockets, a zero insertion force kit there, socket there, so you can get a component like a blue LED, pop it any way round in there and press test, and it tells you what component it is and the way around it is. So if you see that shows a little symbol for a LED, well, for a diode, and gives you the capacitance and various other things on it. What I've used this for, as some of you might have seen, I've used it for testing resistors because I can't see the resistor colour codes anymore. So instead of messing with glasses or with a magnifying glass, it's easier for me to just pop it into here. This just runs on a PP3 9-volt battery. Just looking at that, I've taped it up slightly. I'll explain about that in a minute. But the circuit board itself, and this is what you get in the kit. You get this circuit board with the LCD attached. I'm not going to take this apart at the moment. So all of this is one unit, and then you add a battery to it. But the problem is the LCD display just sat gently on top of the LED thing that lights up, the LED light guide. So you couldn't really, it wasn't stuck to it because the light has to come through. And because of that, it gets it's connected to the board with a very thin ribbon cable. You can't see it on this side. I don't want to undo this at the moment. And so I found on Thingiverse this the plans for this box. So I downloaded those, but my 3D printer needs a bit of calibrating, and I've not had time to do it. So it doesn't fit as wonderfully as it could do. I've added some foam padding on there. This should snap together, but it doesn't as wonderful as it could do, which is why I just have the little bit of blue tape around. But really worth getting one of these, especially if you are not sure of the component you've got. Or what's really good is if you've got a transistor and it shows you like the collector base emitter and those sort of things, so you can make sure you're putting something in the wrong way. But I'd recommend getting one of those, and if you've got a printer and you can get someone to print out a little box, even better. Then it just protects it a little bit.